Welcome everybody to JonesTV. Welcome to Searchin. This is Jay Jones. Today I'm talking to you about Rae Sremmurd No Type, produced by Mike Will Made It, from their SremmLife album that came out in 2015. Okay, the VST is in Gladiator. You go to the, to the tutorial section. Scroll down, tutorial, and you go to the auto chord preset, and then you start playing the notes. And that was the main preset in No Type. If you're enjoying the show, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out other shows on JonesTV, such as Jones Factory and DCW. And I'm out.